Why do you keep checking your phone even when there's nothing important to see? Why is it so hard to stop scrolling social media? Why do some people become addicted to games, junk food, shopping, or even the pursuit of success? The answer lies inside your brain, a powerful chemical called dopamine. Many people think dopamine is the pleasure chemical, but that's only part of the story. Dopamine is actually the chemical that drives motivation, curiosity, learning, and desire. It's one of the most important chemicals in the human brain. It influences almost every decision you make. And understanding how dopamine works could completely change the way you live your life. Dopamine is a chemical in your brain that helps you feel motivated, happy, and rewarded. People often call it the feel-good chemical, but it does more than just make you feel good. It helps with motivation, pushes you to do things. Pleasure makes enjoyable activities feel rewarding. Focus and learning helps attention and memory. Movement helps control body movements. For example, eating tasty food, winning a game, getting likes on social media, achieving a goal can all cause your brain to release dopamine. Too little or too much dopamine can affect mood, behavior, and health. It's linked to conditions like Parkinson's disease, addiction, and depression. Today, we live in a world filled with instant rewards, social media notifications, short videos, online shopping, video games, streaming platforms. Every swipe, click, and notification creates uncertainty. And your brain loves uncertainty. Researchers have found that unpredictable rewards can trigger powerful dopamine responses. This is why social media feels so addictive. You never know what you'll see next. Maybe an interesting video, maybe a funny meme, maybe a message from a friend. Your brain keeps chasing the possibility of a reward. And every time it gets one, dopamine reinforces the behavior. Before you know it, you've spent hours scrolling without even realizing it. The technology isn't necessarily bad. The problem is that these systems are designed to capture your attention by constantly stimulating your dopamine pathways. Many people unknowingly fall into what psychologists call a dopamine trap. The brain becomes accustomed to constant stimulation. The more stimulation it receives, the more it expects. Simple activities begin to feel boring. Reading books, studying, having conversations, working toward long-term goals. These activities provide slower rewards. Compared to the instant gratification of social media or entertainment, they may feel less exciting. As a result, people struggle to focus. Their attention spans decrease, and motivation for meaningful work declines. The brain isn't broken. It's simply adapting to the rewards it's receiving most often. If you feel constantly distracted or unmotivated, there are ways to regain control. First, reduce unnecessary stimulation. Limit endless scrolling. Turn off non-essential notifications. Create periods of time without digital distractions. Second, prioritize healthy dopamine sources. Exercise, reading, learning, building skills, meaningful relationships, creative work. Third, embrace delayed gratification. The ability to work today for rewards tomorrow is one of the strongest predictors of long-term success. The more you practice it, the stronger your brain becomes. Dopamine is not your enemy. In fact, it's one of the most important chemicals in the human brain. It drives curiosity, motivation, learning, innovation, and achievement. But in a world filled with endless distractions, it's easy for dopamine to be hijacked by instant gratification. The key is not to eliminate dopamine. The key is to direct it toward the things that truly improve your life. Because the quality of your future depends on what your brain learns to chase today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone